In this video, I will show you how to fix the two-factor authentication error on Coinbase. This error may appear after logging into your account or while sending cryptocurrency. After this error occurs, you will not be able to get the two-factor authentication code again, only the next day. Even if you successfully received a two-factor authentication code while logging into your account, this does not mean that you can get the code again, because the problem may occur while sending cryptocurrency, and you will not be able to receive the code again. So now I will show you how to fix this problem to remove this restriction that prevents us from using all the features of Coinbase. To prevent this notification from appearing, we need to disable text message in the two-factor authentication section. You can do it right away if you are already logged into your account, but for novice users, I'll show it from the very beginning. First, we need to log into our Coinbase account. Enter your email and password. After logging into the account, we need to enter a text message, a 6-digit code that was sent to your phone. But if you have this error, that's too many attempts, then you need to choose try another way. After that, select receive an email to receive this code to your email. Verification code will be successfully sent to your email. Open the letter and enter these 6 digits on Coinbase. After entering the code, you can log into your Coinbase account. Now we need to disable receiving the code so that we do not have this error in the future or when sending the cryptocurrency. Select the menu and open the Accounts section. Select Security and enter the two-factor authentication section. Find text message and disable it. To disable text messages, you need to receive a text message on your phone. But if you have this error again, then you need to wait until the next day comes, because you can receive a text message with a code once a day. Just don't log out of your account and the next day try to disable text message again in the two-factor authentication settings. After that, you will not need to confirm your account login with an additional text code. It will also make it easier for you to send crypto, which also requires a code if you have the text message function enabled in the two-factor authentication settings. I also disabled these text messages and now I can use Coinbase much easier. Perhaps I will enable two-factor authentication later, but right now it's just impossible to use it properly. That's all. If you liked this video, then like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching.